Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to use PPOCRLabel.py. First of all, you need to download and install it. So we're going to head over to VS Code. I'm just going to show you the code. You can run it by yourself. So PPOCR, yeah. It's right there, pedal OCR. So you wanna start by running these two lines, pip install paddle, and then you're gonna install paddle OCR. Once you've done both, you wanna install PyQt5, and after that you wanna head over to PPOCR label. So you can see that as an output for that, it says that the system cannot find the specified path. There's no such path in the desktop. Well, in my case, I found that Python is somewhere over in at the roaming folder, right? So I head over to users, HP, and over here I head over to app data, head over to roaming, and I see that Python is right here. And we head over to Python 311. We see the side packages has PPOCR, pedal, and pedal OCR. So when I type cd dot slash PPOCR label, it can't actually find it, right? Okay, so it's not here, PPOCR label. Okay, let's head over to pedal OCR. It's not here. PPOCR label, yeah, it's right there. So yeah, we're talking about this one, so it's over here. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to copy this part, say Control C, and we're going to be pasting it over here. So we're going to say cd Control V. Alright, I'm going to open a fresh terminal. We're gonna say cd this path, and yeah, so we're currently in this directory. What we're going to be doing is opening PPOCRLabel.py. We're going to be opening this folder right here. So once we open it, the PPOCRLabel.py folder window is going to open. So let's wait. My potato PC is going to take its time. We're gonna wait. Hmm. Okay, so we're at the interface. We're going to open a directory right now, and I have something right here in my code dataset. Head over to Bangla text detection and recognition. Alright, we're not gonna be doing anything special right now. When I just open just a single image from a directory, you see, when I select a directory, it just provides me this folder of images, right? So when I press, I can go through all of the images, any images that I want to go through within this directory, right? It's all about O, the Bangla letter O. Okay, so there's a problem over here. When I create a rectangle box, I'm going to start and you're going to see that it crushes, right? I was just dragging my mouse, left clicking and dragging my mouse, and it's going to crush, right? It's going to crush. Why is it crushing? It's because it's receiving an unexpected type. It's float. So where is it receiving this unexpected type? In the function rect? Okay, where is this function? Hmm. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It's right here. Okay, it's at ppocr slash lib slash canvas.py. Uh, just so you know, this video is not scripted, so I'm just making this video to help myself. So we head over to Canvas, and if in turn it helps someone, I'd be glad. Okay, so in the future, I hope it comes in handy to me. Okay, so we are in the folder, in the file canvas.py. What we're going to be doing is head over to this function, paint event p.drawRect. Which line is it in? Line 596. So yeah, okay. Let's just head over to line 596. Don't ask me why I didn't use the search function because I suck at coding. I'm a beginner myself as well. Okay, so we're over here. p.drawRect left top dot x and so on left top dot y and this and that. Okay. Mm, oh, freak! I'm not. Hmm. So what do we have to do over here is argument one has undirect self x. Uh, where does it say int? Okay, so not since it's receiving a float, we could just convert it to int type, right? And we're going to come over here and convert this one to int. Come over here and convert this one to int. And come over here and convert this one to int. I'm hoping that this solves the problem. Say Control S. In case it doesn't solve the problem, we could just open a notepad and type right here. So it says 596, right? Okay. Okay, now that we've saved it, we're going to head over, type Control C, gonna say Python PPOCRLabel.py, see if it solves the problem. Hmm. So let's open the directory, head over to OCR code, no, data sets, any data, give me any data. Hmm. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so let's create a rectangle box and maybe, I'm not getting an error. Oh, it's working. Fine. Good. It's working just fine. So I could just, yeah, yeah, good enough. What's gonna happen is, however, it's always going to be a float value. Maybe if I go on with the polygon box, let's see, does it work? Okay, seems to work. Seems to work. Okay, it's working. Maybe re-recognition. Okay, escape. Huh. Let's see, table recognition. No, don't need, no need. Freak. Okay. I suck at this. Hmm. Oh, okay. We'll explore that if I need this. I don't need this right now. Unsafe changes. Would you like to save them and proceed? I'm going to say no. However, it's going to crush when I press Control and scroll inwards, as in scroll up. Right now I'm pressing Control and now I'm going to scroll up and you see it's crushed. So why did it crash? It's the same reason, and we're going to see the error message come up right here. You see, it's telling me that yeah, line 1475 expected a zoom request. Okay. but in addZoom and in setZoom, self.addZoom, and in, where's this, line 1434 and 1431. Alright, so self val int, so set value self val int. Where is it? Okay, I'm going to head over to line number 1475. Huh. PPOCRLabel.py, PPOCRLabel.py. Okay, it's at PPOCRLabel.py. So let's head over to that file. Where is it? PPOCRLabel, okay. Yeah, it's this one. We come over at line number 1434. Set zoom, self value, sorted value. Alright, let's set it to add zoom and set zoom, right? 1434, 1431, and 1475. 1431 says dot set value. Ah, control that. I'm not gonna do that. Maybe if I did this int, yeah, maybe let's see whether or not it works. I don't know. It says 1434. Head over, control Z, shift and parentheses, and int, and maybe shift and parentheses, and int, maybe also control Z. Oh, I don't think I need to do that because increment is set to 10. Okay, what else? 1431, 34. So we got 31 down. We got 34 down. Doesn't seem like I really hope I don't face any problem anymore after this. Let's see. 1475. It says scale times units. Delta Y. Okay, so scale. Maybe. Okay, I'm hoping it's not going to be problematic anymore. Let's try it out. Control C. We're gonna say Python PPOCRLabel.py. Just hope you don't hate on me for being very bad at describing stuff. I'm sorry in advance. File, open directory. I think I got one dataset right here. What? Oh, okay, it's not gonna work. Okay. These are text files. Oh my goodness. Code, dataset. My bad. It seemed that it doesn't work. Okay, let's close this. Come over here. Maybe type Control C and it would close it on its own. Images that have been checked are saved in C. Okay, test label.txt. Okay, good. Um, Python PPOCR label.py. I'm not gonna cut anything out because that'd be too much work. Open directory. Select this whole. Oh, the table we created previously, I guess. Okay. Select this folder. And let's create a rectangle box. No problem. I just clicked. Now let's just drag it. No problem. Mm, Let's press delete after selecting it. Options, delete rect box. Okay, no problem. So far, so good. Let's see. Now, what if I control and zoom in? I think it's gonna crash again. Did it crash? Yeah, it crashed. It says zoom widget object has no attribute int zoom widget. Zoom. Okay. Self dot add zoom scale times units. Okay, it says line 1475 in zoom request. Hmm. Zoom widget dot int. Ah, yes. Okay. I'm sorry. 1434. You probably noticed what I. Fuck. Hmm. Probably noticed my mistake. I'm so fucking sorry. Dot value, set value int. Okay. So now let's say I'm gonna transform this entire line into an integer. Maybe that's gonna work. I really hope that works. If that doesn't work, I will see what else I can do. Hmm. No need. Okay, I think I got it. Think I got what I should do. Just make this one an integer. That should work. Save this. Python PPOCRLabel.py. I'm going to open. Yeah, good boy. Huh. Select this folder. Good. Let's create a rectangle box. No problem so far. I'll delete this rectangle box. Let's zoom in. Ah, fuck. Yes, that's a problem. Wonder what's the problem. Has unexpected type float. Where is the unexpected type again? In line 435. Where did you get the unexpected type? Self dot zoom widget dot value plus increment. Increment is set to 10. We're not changing the increment. Okay, maybe if I do this instead. Try it out again. What's that word again? Zoom in, bro. Fuck. I suck, don't I? Now what? It's at 1496 in zoom request. H bar. Head over to 1486. That's not far from here. Right here. H bar dot set value. Hmm. So this value comes from here. Good thing. We're moving, I guess. You might have a question while watching this. Okay. Work. It's not working. Wait a second. It didn't crash. Oh, it's working. Hey, hey, hey. Yay! It's working. We're zooming in and we're zooming out. Hmm. Hmm. Did it crash again? It crashed because now we are going to have to work with line number 1425. Scroll request. 1425 in scroll request. Okay, let's go. 1425 bar equals to. Okay, done. I think I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's done. While working with PPOCRLabel, you're going to find the same problem, this exact same problem in what's it called in label image, which you use for your log annotation. Yeah, so it's the exact same method. I'm going to show you, I think, how I found where this PPOCR label is at. Okay, it's working, no more problem. So yeah, that's it. That's how you troubleshoot this PPOCR. Okay, now let's try labeling this. We're going to create a rect box. We're going to see whether or not this is called. Oh, okay. Enter. Recognition result. This is all good. Now I want to change this to Bangla, which I will. Hmm. I need to try changing this to Bangla somehow. Okay, so now let's just save it. File, export label. I guess let's just save it. Cross. You have unsaved changes. Would you like to save them and proceed? Yes, please. Images that have been checked are saved. Okay, good. Okay, now let's see whether or not it's been saved. Ha 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 ha. Oh, what's this? Python. Okay, no. Russia, Bangla, handwritten characters, dataset, test on 72. Okay, so we got the cache file state and label. Let's see, we're gonna view these as list. No, no, no. No, one, yes, maybe large icons. Afric, okay, go details. Okay, let's see. This was at 522, and this was also at 522. I believe it's these two. We probably got something to do with this too, but I'm just getting started with what's this called in PPOCR. So I don't know exactly how you should train it, but that's how you annotate them. Hmm. Good, good enough. Okay, let's see. What happens? It's a text document. Oh, okay. I'm probably gonna have to use that. What's this again? Ah, okay, good. Got it. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to show you exactly how you will be able to find the location of your PPOCR. So when you're installing it, it's showing you the location somewhere over here. Hmm. Frick. Hmm. Let's come down here. Yeah, it's right here. You see, it's at C users HP update chat. That's exactly where I got the location from previously. Yeah, so that's where you can get your location of your installed paddle OCR and PPOCR label for and PyQt5, all of that stuff. And that's it. That's how you use it. All right. Cheers.